Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide, diabetes. Specifically, we'll be exploring how a low-carb diet can be a powerful tool in managing diabetes. So, let's jump right in. Did you know that more than 400 million people across the globe are dealing with diabetes? That's a staggering number, and managing this chronic condition can be quite complex. When it comes to diabetes, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial to preventing complications. That's where a low-carb diet comes into play. So, what exactly is a low-carb diet? Well, let's break it down. Normally, when you eat carbs, they break down into glucose, which is essentially blood sugar. In a healthy body, the pancreas releases insulin to help blood sugar enter cells. But for people with diabetes, this system doesn't work smoothly, leading to dangerous blood sugar fluctuations. Now, there are different types of diabetes, with type 1 and type 2 being the most common. Type 1 diabetes requires insulin injections, while in type 2, the body becomes resistant to insulin's effects. So, how can a low-carb diet help manage diabetes? Research has shown that low-carb diets can work wonders for diabetes management. In fact, before insulin was even discovered in 1921, low-carb diets were the go-to treatment. But how low should you go when it comes to carbs? There's a bit of a debate here. Some studies suggest dramatic improvements when restricting carbs to just 20 grams per day. On the other hand, moderate carb restriction, around 70-90 grams per day, can also be effective. Here's the thing, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The American Diabetes Association emphasizes personalized meal plans tailored to your preferences and goals. And how do you find your carb sweet spot? Well, monitoring your blood sugar before and after meals can be a game changer. Now, let's talk about what you can eat on a low-carb diet. Proteins, eggs, cheese, non-starchy veggies, avocados, and healthy fats are your best friends. And foods like berries, Greek yogurt, nuts, and dark chocolate can be enjoyed in moderation. However, it's best to steer clear of high-carb culprits like bread, pasta, starchy veggies, and sugary beverages. Hungry for a sample day of delicious low-carb meals? Let's take a look. For breakfast, how about eggs and sautéed spinach? Lunch could be a Cobb salad packed with flavors. And for dinner, grilled salmon with sautéed zucchini and mushrooms sounds divine. Remember, these meals contain around 15 grams or fewer of digestible carbs per meal. But always consult a healthcare professional before making any changes, especially if you're on medication. And hey, managing diabetes isn't just about diet. Regular physical activity, quality sleep, and stress management play crucial roles too. To sum it all up, studies indicate that low-carb diets can effectively manage diabetes, improving blood sugar control, and even reducing the need for medication. But, of course, always talk to your doctor before making any dietary changes, especially if you're on medication. And remember, diabetes management is a holistic journey, from what you eat to how you move and even how you sleep. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed. And remember, your health matters.